Did you know that my YouTube co-star Jay is movie famous? In fact, he is in a reality TV series streaming right now on Prime, and you're going to find out about all of that in this video. Okay, yeah, cut it. Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine. Just got off the phone to Jay's agent and he's allowed to come today to film. So Jay, you want to come sit? You're so famous now, man. You're like,
that's not me.
You got an agent and everything.
There, my agent doggy. Oh, I like your 5-star pillow, Shaun. Oh, hello, 5-star dog.
So Jay,
Yes, Shaun.
you got to feature in a reality TV series that we filmed.
Well, I did. Yes. So last year can we talk what?
Actually, this is out right now, streaming on Prime. It's called 007 Road to Million,
Do you know
Season
what?
2, Episode 1 in Thailand.
You've seen the first episode.
Yeah, it's great.
So this is a second series of A Road to a Million, which is a James Bond themed reality TV show. So
It's
basically,
like Survivor on a James Bond thing.
yeah, so they'll go round to different areas where James Bond was filmed. So they went to Italy, I think they go to Romania, all the different film locations.
They went to Jamaica?
Did they go to Jamaica?
Sure.
Really?
Bahamas and stuff as well.
What James Bond movie was filmed there?
I don't know, so they did an underwater scene now. So.
Did you? Did they?
Yeah.
In Jamaica?
Yeah.
I know a joke about that, but I can't say it.
Yeah.
It's very rude. Anyway, so it's a James Bond themed based reality TV show where they go and do a task, and then the couples, they're not always couples, they might be friends, you know, it might be
Friends,
husband and wife,
sisters,
brothers, all that sort of stuff.
People who know each
Anyway,
other.
if you fail the task, then you get kicked out.
Yeah, it's an elimination style reality TV series, and episode 1 and episode 2 were filmed in Thailand. Episode 1 here in, what, I can't say really Phuket because it's Phang Nga Bay.
Yes.
And episode 2 was in Bangkok. We won't tell you too much about the episodes because you've got to go watch it.
No, but if you, on the trailer, the main trailer, there's a part where you see the speedboat speeding round Phang Nga Bay. That's me driving! That's me driving that boat!
And even if you pause it and zoom in, you can't see Jay. That's
No.
how good we are at filming.
I know. I had sent a message to. I've got a family WhatsApp group to my family in South Africa and the UK. And I sent a message saying, "I'm going to be on TV. I'm going to be." My dad watched it and he came back and said, "Can't see you."
But you can see Lucas 6.
You can see. Yeah, you can actually look. We're going to put all of some clips.
You know
in
what
there.
I'm laughing about? Because there is a scene where they walk onto a pier and we have parked one of our boats. So
Yes.
that boat is parked there for a support boat for purposes that we won't talk about. But what I can say is as they're walking down the pier, I'm hiding in Lucas 6 lying on the floor on the radio
To me.
to Jay as they're walking down, and I'm sitting there going, I ain't even featured in this because I know I'm lying on the floor.
There's a few of us hiding, to be fair.
There's a lot of us actually.
But I think I did really good hiding. So that there's parts where they have to drive a boat, and I'm in that boat the whole time.
And Jay's the instructor.
And they can't see me, so that's good. I did well.
And you taught them.
Well, yeah, badly.
And you had cameras hanging off the side and the front and the back of the boat.
It was
And
good
you
fun.
designed a map how they can find the.
I did. I was
the
very.
location.
I worked out how to use the GPS system on that. That boat's beautiful, by the way. I really love that boat.
Oh, it's James Bondy.
So nice to drive.
Very James Bondy boat.
Anyway, we do a lot of stuff like that. So that's not our first ever reality TV show. We did one that is the Dutch one out yet or not?
Oh, there were 2 Dutch ones that we did.
Yeah, we did we did Dutch Love Island. That was a very interesting shoot. That one.
Yeah, we did a photography based one.
Yeah, and we've done a few movies that we did Mother of the Bride. We did Meg 2. We did a few things. But I'm going to put my hand up.
Alien Earth.
Oh, can we talk about Alien Earth now?
Well, we can say we did it.
We did Alien Earth. We're in episode 8. We're not in episode 8, obviously. But I think the James Bond theme one, Road to Million, was one of my favourite ones to work
It was
on.
a great shoot, great team, very fun shoot.
And it wasn't stupid hours like some of the others.
Yeah, it was good hours.
It was nice
It
hours.
was nice hours.
Although Shaun does like to get to location very early. I think we were there when the sun was coming up.
4 a.m. I remember we were doing 4
Yeah,
a.m.
we were doing 4 a.m. departures, and then the crew didn't turn up till about 9 or 10.
Yeah, well, it's our job to be prepared.
That's
And there was
right.
a lot to prepare.
There was a lot to prepare.
Actually, on this shoot it was very interesting because Jay had to teach the contestants how to control the boat,
Yes,
how to be safe on the boat,
yes,
how to deal with man overboards,
Yes.
and risk assessments,
Yes.
and all of this.
Yes.
And in every scene that they are seen driving a boat, Jay is hidden somewhere on the boat.
Yes, I'm either in front of.
And you have full control of the boat. Like you were able to stop the boat.
Oh yeah, there's a thing on the boat called a kill cord. It's called a kill. It doesn't kill people, by the way. People. It doesn't kill people. It stops the engine. I was always in holding that.
Yes. And I think it was one of the a lot of the shoots that we do are about us moving people from A to B.
Yes.
So moving cast, moving camera, moving crew from A to B. But this shoot, in my view, is what I would call a very technical shoot, because a lot of it was about us actually controlling what's going on so they can film it.
This hasn't been a very exciting video, has it?
No, but it was a really exciting shoot.
And I'm just wondering, I wonder if they can see, you can't see Mischief Dog.
Not really?
And I wonder what they're thinking with my hands doing, because I keep rubbing like this, and I wonder if they think I'm rubbing you.
She's a little down today, I think.
I think she's just lethargic.
Yeah.
You're just lethargic, aren't you?
Anyway, it's on
Yes.
Amazon Prime.
I signed up for Amazon Prime for it.
You're allowed to
It's
watch
cheap.
it today, right?
It's cheap in Thailand, is it? Always
You
is
have to
cheap.
wait 2 days, right?
I had to wait 48 hours for them to approve my payment because they said I was some dodgy scammer.
And so you haven't watched it yet?
No, I've only watched the trailer, which I watched a few
You
times.
really should watch it with the kids.
I'm going to watch it. I'm going to watch it
It's
tonight, maybe.
I don't like to watch a lot of the film because quite often when you're watching it, you're dissecting what you're filming and what you have to do to film it.
Yeah.
Whereas this one was a really fun shoot to
I'm
be
looking
part
forward
of.
to it. I'm looking forward to seeing it. Anyway, if you want to
And remember, one of the great parts is
Yes.
that Jay and I have to have in-ear radios to tell each other what to do because we can't tell the contestants what's going on. Like Jay and I know what's going on next, and we know where the boat needs to go and what they need to do, but we're not allowed to tell them in any way because there are people behind the scenes, behind the camera, checking to make sure that every single part of the show is fair.
And basically, Shaun's shouting at me in my ear the whole time. Stop the boat, Jay! Jay, stop the boat! You've gone too far, Jay, you're going to hit a rock! Stop the boat! That's all I had in my ear. I'm like, okay!
And then also it was like, as some of the great shots, you can see the boat's traveling, and it's quite obviously we're filming the boat from another boat for it to travel. And quite often I'd be asking, which way are we filming? I've got to get the fleet away! You've got to hide the boats!
We should, yeah. It's a shame we can't really put on the behind-the-scenes stuff because we can't. But it's
But more than that, we actually, quite honestly, we don't film a lot of the behind-the-scenes stuff because what happens
We've
in the
got
shoot
time.
happens to shoot. It's like Vegas. What happens in Vegas happens in Vegas.
It's a bit like this couch. What goes on this couch goes on in this couch. Right. Anyway, I think that's enough, Shaun.
You should go watch it. There's
Yes.
going to be a link below to go watch it. It's on Amazon Prime. It's streaming now. It's shot the first 2 episodes in Thailand. And a lot of great other stuff been shot in Thailand lately. So you should also go watch Alien Earth.
Yes, go check it out. Thanks for watching. And if you've got any questions, comment below. Bye.